Welcome. In this video we are going to learn HashCode Encrypt passwords in Linux. Let's open a browser, go to google.com, type hashcode space GitHub. Here you see that link, that is github.com/hashcode. Click on it. Here we can see that hashcode GitHub and copy the Git URL. Back to Kali desktop, open terminal, type git clone, paste the copied URL. Here you can see that cloning is started. Here you can see that resolving 100% is done. Let's change the terminal directory to download hashcode. Type cd space hashcode. Type ls. Here you can see that hashcode directory files. Now change file permission using chmod command. Type chmod space +x hashcode -en.py chmod +x hashcode gui.py chmod +x hashcode.py. Let's run hashcode.py file. For that I will type python space hashcode.py. Here you can see that this tool have 12 algorithms. Let's encode password using MD5 algorithm. Type A. Let's type text encrypt in MD5. So we'll type Amit space Hudar. Here you can see that encoded text for Amit Hudar. Let's try on reverse text. Type K. Let's paste the Amit Hudar encoded code. Here you can see that code is reversed. So that's it in this video on HashCode Encrypt password. Thank you for watching this video.